Want to turn your imagination into AI-generated videos in seconds? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Genmo AI video generator to create stunning visuals using just text. Let's begin. Open your browser and go to genmo.ai. Click on the Create button at the top right corner. Now in the text box that says, describe anything that you want to see, type or paste the following prompt. Close-up of a robotic hand typing on a futuristic holographic keyboard, surrounded by floating data streams. Camera slowly zooms in. Once done, click on the Generate button. A pop-up will appear. Click on Continue with Google and sign in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll be redirected back to the prompt page. Now look at the bottom left of the text box and click on the option called Replay. Once again, hit the Generate button. Wait for a few seconds while your video is processed. When the video is ready, click on the Download button to save it to your computer. And that's it. You've just created a unique AI-generated video using Genmo. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.